Hey guys, Poverty Point Customs here. What we're going to do today is install my new rear storage box into my 2016 CFMOTO Zforce 800. This is a Tesseract. I bought it off Revco.ca. They're around $490 plus tax. And as you can see, they're molded for the rear of the side-by-side. So this is the back storage box of the bike. As you can see, what I've done is put white lithium grease on all the bolts and brackets, because once this box in, the only time I'm ever going to remove it is if it gets coated in mud around it, or if I need to access the top of the engine bay through the cover here. So when I put the box in, I did notice that it's catching on these tie-down brackets. So we're just going to actually remove these. We'll just screw the bolts back in so we don't lose those. So we're going to take out those. Alright, so I got those brackets off, and I just put the box back in. You can see it sits down a couple more inches. So it's actually super snug. Ton of storage inside it. Alright, so this is taking a look at the inside of the box. It has 4 pre-drilled holes, 2 on each side. 2 there and 2 there. Comes with 4 keys. This is your locking mechanism to mount it. Doesn't come with any instructions, so we'll see if we can figure it out. Alright, so what I'm going to do first is I'm going to take this apart. And then I'm going to put this bolt through the hole here. And there's the underside. So on each side we're going to have one here and one right there. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to take this rubber piece here and put it up through here. Just like that. And then for the quick release, we're going to put a little bit of Loctite on it. This is just medium strength, so you're able to take it off pretty easy. And we're going to screw this on. And we're going to do the same to that one and on the other side. And that's just showing the top of it. Alright, so taking a look underneath, there's our quick release mounts. And on the other side, and there's the other two. Again, I used a little bit of medium strength thread locker on it. I just don't want these coming loose, so check them every once in a while. And again, these storage units are fairly pricey, but it does look like a factory unit. The fit and finish is really nice. It has the 2 areas here where you can install your 5-liter gas jugs with the quick release attachments that you have to drill into here. Again, there's a ton of room inside it, so I highly recommend it. This is something that you can install in about 5 minutes. And just looking at it from the side, it doesn't stick up too high, so you don't lose much as far as visibility from the back of it. And I also purchased the 5-liter gas jug. I'm actually waiting for another one. They're on back order, so I'll actually have 2 here, 1 here and here. These are your quick release attachments. These are really pricey too. They're $53 plus tax for the jug and $44 for the mounting bracket. So you certainly pay, but it's going to look nice when it's all done. So I'll get these installed in another video. I'll just throw them in another video when I'm working on another part of the unit here. But overall, I'm very pleased with it. Again, I wish it came with instructions. Anyways, the next project, we're going to get the new dry belt installed on the unit here. Also, just taking a look at the cover. Has a nice weather stripping all the way around it, so that will keep the dust and debris out. And I do like the fact that it stays up too when you put it up. Now, it's hard to say if it will stay like that after being used for a while, but it does feel nice and sturdy. The only complaints I hear is when you start getting the gas jugs on the top, it starts to bow down a little bit, so we'll take a look at that when that time comes. Hope you find these videos helpful, and if you want to follow me on my journey with this CFMOTO Zforce 800, make sure to hit that subscribe and bell notification, and if you have any questions or comments or tips, make sure you post them below. Thanks for watching.